Today's video is sponsored by Tailored Canvases. They sent me a beautiful canvas for my brother's shop, and we're gonna talk and review the products. Welcome, my darlings. I am C, and this is CJ DIY. Tailored Canvases reach out to me so I can review their products. And for those of you who are not familiar, their website is tailoredcanvases.com. This company have every possible theme that you can imagine for every kind of style, every kind of occasion, holidays. You can imagine customizable. You can even send them a picture if you don't see something that you like, and if you want it on a big Canva print, you can even send your own picture. So as I'm going through their website, I'm showing you some samples that they're having in their website so you can look at it, and I am impressed. Also, for my viewers, there is a special discount code on top of their promotions. 15% for all my viewers is CJ15. All those links with the code are in my description box, and I will show you in a little bit what did I order and how it looks. Spring and summer and beautiful weather is coming up, and also weddings and engagements are coming up too. And for weddings and engagements also, there is beautiful customizable canvases, and I will truly suggest it for you guys to go and check it out and order anything that you prefer. My personal Canva was this picture that I have sent out to Tailored Canvases, and here is a days later. It only take a couple of days, me opening up the package, and look at this beauty. It look exactly like the same picture I have sent it to them. I am impressed with the color on it, with the quality, and it's extremely big. It's like 36 versus 24 inches. I mean, it's gorgeous. My brother was so happy, and he put it in his office, and here is a look. It's right there behind his desk, and all I can say is Tailored Canvases, thank you for thinking about me and sending me this beautiful customizable Canva print. And once again, my darlings, if you like to order amazing tailored canvases, personalized, you can use the code CJ15. And until next time, I hope you enjoyed this short video, which is gonna be tomorrow. I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you. Bye-bye.